When we play two notes together in one bow without stopping the bow at all, that's called a slur. The two notes should sound completely connected and completely legato. Let's play a slur using an open A string and the very first finger on the A, the B. Notice how the left hand has to put the finger on the string at just the right time. That way we get to continue the pulse and keep the beat. Now let's try slurring the first three notes of the scale going up bow and down bow. Notice how I'm using the bow from the very frog all the way to the tip, and that the bow stays very straight and very smooth. My bow moves completely parallel to the bridge and between the bridge and fingerboard, but not ever sliding around. Here's a D major scale and arpeggio, slurring two notes at a time. Go slow and use the whole bow. Let's play the song Long, Long Ago. 1, 2, 3, 4.